There's lakes on the beat. Lakes on the beat.
Alright guys, dude, it's been a minute. It's been a fat minute since I streamed, and I gotta keep my desktop audio off, just in the fact that I don't have my microphone with me. I'm at my grandpa's house. I don't have my microphone with me, so my audio, you guys are hearing my audio through my laptop. I do not have my microphone with me at all, so I'm gonna have to keep the desktop audio off, so you guys, instead of hearing because if you hear the game sound, you won't be able to hear my voice. At least till I get my microphone back. But, so, a couple things. This is the first live tutorial I'm doing on how to downgrade pipe. This is going to be part 1. These are all the mods I use. Part 2 is going to be all the maps I use. And then part 3 is going to be all the players. And then part 4 is going to be all the bikes. So this one we're just doing all the mods I use, like the mod menus, like the scripts, not the maps or anything, just the scripts. But, and I updated my Google Docs. My Google Docs are in the description. There's links down there on what you need. I think, let me check real quick. There's links down there on what you need for modding pipe. Everything you need. Like the mod menus, like the scripts. Yeah, what you need for modding. So go ahead and click that link down there. The first one that says what you need for modding BMX Streets Pipe. That's everything you need. And then the third link says pipe mods I used in my game. Click that link. It'll bring you to a Google Doc. And then click on, and then what we're going to do, actually I'll pull it up right now. What we're going to do, as you can see, if I go to pipe mods, once you open up this doc right here, it says scripts. These are all the things we're going to be doing only in this video. These are all the mods we're going to be installing only in this video. Part 2 will be all these maps right here. Part 3 will be the players. Part 4 will be the bikes. So this doc is in the description. It's the third link. So click on the first link and the third link in the description. The second link is just all the equipment I use. So that link really you don't need for this video. But the first and third link in the description you do need. So yeah, for this tutorial, for the part 1, we're just doing these scripts right here. The thing that says scripts right here, we're only doing these right here. Those are only mods you're gonna be installing in this game. So go ahead and click that, and then I need to actually bring up my hold on a second. I need to bring up this. Actually, I need to bookmark this, actually. Alright. So, to start off, what you need to do, so go to this doc right here. It's in the description. It's the first link. It says what you need for modding pipe. And then it says step 1 downgrading. So and then right here where it says downgrade instructions is another Google Doc. Go ahead and open that up. It'll bring you to this. And then what you want to do once you're at this doc, number 1, you have to download this depot downloader. And do I got WinRAR installed? I don't think you need WinRAR for this. I don't think I used WinRAR Fizz, did I? Nah, just keep it. I don't think you need it or anything. But go ahead, click the first link in the description. It'll bring you to this page right here. And then what you want to do, you want to go down, scroll down a little bit till you see downgrade instructions. Go ahead and click that and bring you to this doc. And then it says step 1 right here, the depot downloader. You want to download that. It's going to be a GitHub. And then drag it to your desktop. Mine's in my downloads. Actually, no. You do need, if you don't, you need to uninstall WinRAR for this. I thought you had to. Yeah, you gotta uninstall WinRAR because you can't use WinRAR for this. I forgot. Okay, go ahead and download this. Hold up a second. I want to make sure everything. All right. Yeah, you don't. So go ahead and copy it to your desktop from your downloads, and it should be a zip file. Okay, you can reinstall WinRAR after you're done with this, because this when you download this file, it won't work with WinRAR. You'll see why. But go ahead and let's see if I can remember how to do this. So it's gonna be a zip file. It's gonna have a folder with like a zip down the middle, and it's gonna say depot downloader 2.3.2. Go ahead and open it. And then you're going to see, let's see if this works. It's not working. How do you, oh, no, okay. Yeah. So click on the file one time, right click, and hit extract all, and then extract it all to your desktop. And then once you extract it, it's going to be a regular folder. It's going to be this file right here. It's going to be a regular folder. It's not going to have a zip. It's not going to have the zip down the middle. You can delete this. You can put this in your recycle bin. I'm so sorry, guys. Hopefully I remember how to do this. Yeah, I'm going to keep in my recycle bin just in case. But yeah, you can move that zip file to your recycle bin. But once you extract the zip file, you're going to have a regular folder here. Go ahead and open up that regular folder. Actually, no. Before we do that, go back to that Google Doc. And then you got to go to step 2. You have to download the latest .NET Core. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and go to step 2 in this doc where you downloaded the depot downloader. And then what you want to do, you want to go to this .net.microsoft, this link right here. And then it's going to bring you to this page. What you want to do, you want to scroll over here until you see this SDK 3.1.411. Whatever bit your computer is, mine's a 64. You want to click that, and mine's a Windows, so you'll go here, but they have Mac OS for 64-bit, and they have download for Windows 64-bit or 86-bit. I have a 64-bit computer. Go right here where it says installers, and go down to Windows or Mac or whatever you got, and click on whatever bit your computer is. Just click. So I'm gonna click on Windows times 64, and it's gonna download here, and it's gonna pop up in your download. You really can't see because my face cam's in the way. It's gonna pop up right there in the downloads. I'm actually gonna put my thing over here so you guys can see my downloads. And then once you're done, you can close out of that. And then what you're gonna want to do is run the program. I think it's program. Yeah, double click it, run it. Actually, hold up, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna disable my face cam, guys. I'm gonna disable it. Alright, yeah. I'm just gonna disable it for now, guys, and I'm gonna disable my controller overlay. So yeah. Just for now at least. Just because it's in the way. So, yeah, we're gonna do part 2 tomorrow. Either that or tonight, I don't know. But go ahead and click this install button right here once you download the Microsoft .NET Core SDK 3.1.411. Now you have to download the SDK. That's the only reason. See, when I first started downgrading pipe, I'd click on this ASP.NET Core runtime over here. I click on this over here. Don't click on anything on the right side. You need the SDK on the left side, okay? You need to download the SDK because I always downloaded the core runtime and it wouldn't work. I always thought it wouldn't. It never worked until I went on the pipe Discord. And, oh, by the way, the pipe Discord is in that Google Doc. The pipe Discord is in the third link in the description. If you go to my Google Doc I made, it's the third link. It's pipe Discord right here. I always downloaded the core runtime and it never worked. But then I went in the pipe Discord. They're like, no, you have to download the SDK, which is right here. You have to download the SDK in order for this to work. You have to download the SDK. Do not download that core runtime. Alright, so go ahead and click install. Yes. gonna install. I think I already have it installed, but hopefully this works. Hopefully I remember. I'm not good at doing tutorials. GTA 5 I'm good at, but this is more technical, way more technical. But I kind of downgraded it so much for like I've been downgrading pipe for like 2 years now. I kind of know by heart, but trust me, you need a while of experience to do stuff like this because this is actually complicated. I mean, it's not complicated if you understand it, but you know what I mean. All right, once it's downloaded, open up that folder, that depot downloader 2.3.2 folder right here. Open this up right here. That was on your desktop. It would have all these files. Now, don't click anything in here. What you want to do, you want to hold down the shift key and right click in the file. Oh shit. I totally forgot. Actually no, I got it. So yeah. I was about to say because for this part you do need your Steam password and username, but it is completely safe, trust me. Everybody does it in the Pipe Discord. I was about to say I'm live and I really can't block out my my password, but I can just turn off my display capture. So yeah, hold down the shift key, right click in here, and you should have a setting that says open PowerShell window here, right here. It's right under where it says undo delete, it's right here. Open that up. Now go back to that Google Doc. Go back to this Google Doc right here. And scroll down until you see this right here. That right there, what's highlighted in blue. I'll give you a minute. Hold on. What you want to do, you want to Control C. Hit Control C. And then go back to that PowerShell window right here, this blue box. And hit Control V. And now what you want to do is going to pop up here. You want to hit backspace. And then right here where it says your Steam password. And then right here where it says your Steam login. Okay? Don't put it, see where it says right here where it has like the password in the gray? You can't put your password there. You have to put your password right here where it's in the white lettering. And you have to put your Steam ID right here where it's in the white lettering. Don't put it under the gray lettering right here. Only the white right here. So hit backspace. I'm not gonna put it in. I'm gonna show you what to do. I'm gonna end up disable my display capture so you don't see. Backspace all the way until you get to the end of your right there. Let me disable my display capture. This is kind of hard. This is gonna be kind of hard to show you guys because I really don't want you guys seeing my password. But yeah, just fill it in. Fill in your password where the white lettering was that I just deleted. And then fill in your username right where that white lettering is. So just backspace and just delete the Y and stop. So backspace from ID. So put your cursor at ID right here. And then backspace, backspace, backspace. Delete this, your Steam login ID. You have to delete that. And then after you're done deleting the Y on your then put in your login ID. So I'm going to disable my display capture real quick so I can put this in. If it works, there we go. Oh, shit. Alright. Alright, guys, give me a minute. Hopefully this works. Oh, hold on, guys. I forgot. Let me turn my numlock off real quick. Would this work? Alright, guys, you gotta give me a minute here. Alright guys, the reason why that happened is because when you do when you want to move over, you have to use the arrow keys to move over, like to it's hard to explain. And then after you're done, hit enter. That's it, guys. It's like so hard to explain because my display caps off, but I don't want you guys seeing my password. I mean, I trust people. I trust my subscribers, but there's some random people that might watch this video and take my shit. But guys, if this, you can just there's more videos on YouTube on how to downgrade pipe, but the reason why I like doing this, the reason why I like doing my tutorials, and some people might like it because I link all of my mods I use in my game. some YouTubers, most YouTubers I see on Downgrading Pipe and GTA 5 don't link their mods that they use. This video I'm linking, and I made a whole entire Google Doc on all the mods, all the maps I use and everything. And that's why I like doing this for you guys, because I link every single mod I use in my game. And when new mods come out, I will update that Google Doc if I decide to use that mod. So say a new mod came out tomorrow in the Pipe Discord, and I go to download it, and I like it, I'll update my doc and put it in there. That's why I like doing these tutorials, but it sucks because I got to disable my display capture so you guys don't see it. Once you're done putting in your password and your username, hit enter. Let's see if this works. Okay, and then it's gonna say it's gonna say this account is protected by Steam Guard if you have Steam Guard enabled. I do. And this is why this is not fake, because it wants your Steam Guard. It says please enter the authentication code sent to your email. This is why this is not fake. Because it works, because this works with Steam Guard, so that's why this ain't fake. So don't worry. So go to your email, type in your Steam Guard code, and then hit enter. Let's see if this works. All right. And then once you hit enter, once you put in your Steam username and stuff, now I can re-enable my display capture. It's gonna have all these numbers, all this stuff right here pop up. It's gonna have percentages. You can see right here, 19.99%. You have to wait till it gets to 100%. It can take a while, depending on how fast your internet is. Mine's pretty freaking quick, hopefully. Let's see if I can scroll up to the... Hold on a second, guys. Let's see if I can scroll up to... Oh. Alright, right here. It says this account is protected by Steam Guard, and it's going to pop up right under it. Please enter the authentication code set to your email address. This is my code. I mean, am I even supposed to show that? Oh, no. Screw it. I trust you guys. So, this is the code that popped up on my email. You put it in, you hit enter, and then it pops up all these numbers. After you put in your password and your username, it's going to ask for a code sent to your email, and you hit enter, and then all these numbers will pop up. And then once you've done this, once it gets to 100%, it'll be done. So let's just wait. Hopefully it works. This part's usually the one that fucks me up. This part's usually the one that doesn't work, but we'll see. Usually it works. But you do need that SDK in order for because if you don't download that SDK, it's gonna say failed to connect to Steam. It's in this blue box. It's not gonna pop up all these numbers right when you hit enter. Right after you put in your password, it's gonna say failed to connect to Steam. .net server not available, is unavailable. It's gonna say a whole bunch of coding, and it's gonna be all in red lettering. If you don't download that SDK, which means it won't work, you have to download SDK. All right, so it's done. It's gonna right at the bottom here. It's gonna say 100%. It's going to pop up all this right here. This doesn't matter. If it says 100%, it worked. So now you can exit out of this blue thing. And now you have a new folder at the top that says depots. Right at the top. Right at the top of this folder right here. So you open it up. And then you'll have a new folder that says depots. Click on it. And then you'll have two folders in here. You have one that says depot downloader and one that says 815781. What you're going to want to do is open up that 815781 folder. And then you're going to have another folder in here that says 3099592. Now, when you open this up, this is going to have your game directory. Here's your pipe game right here. We'll launch it up in a minute to see if it works. There's your pipe game. Here's your pipe data. Here's where all the mods are going to go. Now, what you can do is go backspace until you get to these numbers, till you get to 3099592. So what I like doing, like if I double click this, here's my directory. So I'll go back to this. Right click, send to desktop, create shortcut. Now you can exit out of this, and then you can drag this folder right here into your recycle bin, and we're gonna actually clear out of our recycle bin. Hopefully, let me clear out of my downloads real quick. And now once that is done, what I like doing, so like if I open up this folder, it's gonna, oh shit, I just fucked it up, guys. Guys, I gotta redo it. What happened? Guys, I gotta redo it. Oh my god. Well, I already got SDK downloaded. Are you kidding me? Guys, I gotta it says it's... It doesn't take long. Let me re-disable my display capture. It says it's been changed or moved. I don't think you put those in your recycle bin. I don't think so. I don't think you do. Right click. Now I gotta extract all. So I'm gonna keep these on my desktop. I guess you have to keep these on your desktop. I never kept them on my desktop. I never did. I never kept them on my desktop. It's not gonna take long anyway. Let me just do this right quick. It's not gonna take long. I gotta see. Control C. I gotta see what happened here. Guys, it's gonna pop up my starting soon, so just bear with me. Alright, it's freaking downloading again. Let me turn my display capture back on. I don't know what happened. It says it cannot be found. If anything, guys, I have to reboot my computer. But yeah, you open up that folder and it'll pop up your pipe directory. Let me just see something here. Because before I started the live stream, I already had it downgraded and I had tons of mods installed. This is why I like you guys. I'm doing this for you guys. I had mods installed, I had maps installed, and I deleted it just for a tutorial to show you guys how to do it. So you guys should respect that. I deleted all my mods just for you guys. And now it's freaking working. Don't worry, I'll get it to work. I'll get it to work. Hopefully. Because if I type in pipe, unpin from start, open file location. Yeah, okay, delete. Yeah, I don't need that. I don't know, guys. We'll have to try to, we'll have to see what's going on here. There we go. So if I'm gonna open this up, yeah, there's my pipe directory. Let's just see if pipe works. So yeah, go ahead and double click on pipe, see if it works. So it looks like it is working. Maybe, let's see if the mod map. Okay, so it does work. Send to desktop, create shortcut. Okay, so there's that. But there's the depot downloader. If I delete the depot downloader. Okay. So. Yeah. It says it was moved. That is strange. Okay. Apparently you need to keep this on your desktop. I swear. Dude, I put it... I don't think I did. I swear I put it on my left. I never kept this on my desktop. I don't know why it's doing that. So what if I drag this into games and I try to open it up? But if I drag this into my recycle bin and I try to open it up, it's not going to work. So apparently you have to keep this on your computer. You cannot delete it. I don't know why. But yeah. So you have to keep this depot downloader somewhere on your desktop, because if you open it up, you go to depots, your pipe's right there. And then this number's right here. If you delete it off your desktop and you try to open that pipe, it will say that number has been deleted. So apparently you have to keep it. So I got to keep this file into my games, so it's with my pipe. I swear I've never done this. I don't know why it's doing that. Unless I did keep it, I don't know. I'm gonna keep it, I guess. I mean, it's no big deal. I can keep it, but I mean, to relay the fact, I can keep it. But I mean, there's a good part to this. If my game does end up crashing and I gotta reinstall it, I don't have to go through that blue window again. I don't have to go through that blue like window with all those percentages. Gotta wait for it to get to 100%. Gotta re-put in my email and password and all that. I just go here, go to Depot Downloader, go here, and there's a new pipe right here. It's already downgraded. So I mean, that is a good fact that I don't gotta keep opening up that blue window. So yeah, I mean, as long as it still works. But, alright, now we're going to get into the mods. First, what you want to do, you need to go ahead and now, so we're done with this dock. You can close out of this dock. You can close out of this dock. Actually, no, stay in this dock. What you want to do, you want to scroll down until you see step 2, pipe unpacker tool. Go ahead and click it. Click the link right here that says download. What you want to do, locate your desktop. Actually, no, I think I already have Pipe Unpacker. Yeah, go ahead and download it. I already have it saved. I think, scripts, Pipe Unpacker. Yep. Go ahead and open it up. And then you're going to have 3 files in here. So go ahead and open up your pipe directory. Once you're in here, go to pipe data. And then open up that folder. Open up Pipe Unpacker. Right here, you should have 3 files. One should say Unity EXE. Other one should say Unpack and Backup. One should say Unpack and Delete. Go ahead and highlight these, Control C, and then Control V into your pipe data folder. Wait a minute. If I rename this, wait. Not what I wanted to do, wait. Hold on a second, guys. I want to see why this... Yeah, it's just popping up a Depot Downloader. So I still will have to downgrade. I don't know why it's doing that, guys. Give me a minute. I have no idea why it's doing that. Give me a minute, guys. Oh, wait a minute. Did it work? Let me delete this pipe real quick. Let me drag this to my desktop. Oh my god, it actually worked. Okay, there we go. I don't need that on my desktop now. I was about to say, I don't know what I did. Guys, I don't even know. If that happened, if that happened, oh, let's see. Does it work? Okay. Let me delete it from our side. Dude, I swear if I delete these and it don't work, it should work. Okay. So I don't even know what I did. But anyway, go back to your pipe directory, open up pipe data. Control V, and no, actually, no. Not in your pipe data. You don't do it in your pipe. I'm thinking of another game. You don't do it in your pipe data. Go back to your pipe directory where you have all these files in the pipe exe. Control V in here. And now you're going to have, so what you want to do, you want to hit unpack and backup. Not unpack and delete. Don't hit that. That's for the other version of pipe, which I won't be doing because that's an old version. No, there's hardly any maps in that version. There's like 10 maps total. This is the version that everybody plays. Unpack and delete's for the other one. Hit unpack and backup. Double click it. Unpack and backup. It's going to pop up this window. Just let it do its thing. And now, once it's done, the files are going to delete. And then when you go in your pipe data, you'll have all these shared assets right here. You have these levels that weren't in there before. Okay. Now I think we can get into the mods. Actually, no. So close out of your pipe directory. Go to that Google Doc, not mine, the first link in the description, the same one we were at. Scroll down until you see Step 3 Unity Mod Manager. Go ahead and download. It's going to be MediaFire. And then once it's done, I already have it installed. So the thing about me, guys, I have all my mods saved under my drive. So if I go to this PC right here, this drive, it says Video Game Mods. If I open this up, I have BMX Streets mods. Here's all my mods right here. I mean, I got scripts. All the scripts that we're going to be using is right here. Which we do got to... Okay, so we got to reinstall WinRAR. We gotta reinstall WinRAR. Give me a minute, guys. Yep, we gotta reinstall WinRAR. Yep, those are all mods we're gonna be using. Let's see if it works. Yep, here's all the scripts we're gonna be using in this game. And then here's all my maps that I use that we're gonna be doing in part 2. And then we got the part 3 right here. These are all the players. And then we got the part 4 bikes, which I might not even do a part 4 bikes because I only use one bike. So I'm probably not even gonna do part 4, but we'll do maps and players. Part 2 will be maps. Part 3 will be players. But this one's gonna be all scripts. Just these mods right here. And then I got all my mods saved. So if I click on this drive, I got my GTA 5 mods. I got my scripts. These are all my GTA 5 mods I use in my game. I got them like all organized. I got my Skater XL mods. But I already have mine saved, so we go to scripts. If I go to my scripts, I can click on Unity Mod Manager. I think I have it, yeah. Go ahead and open up Unity Mod Manager. It's going to pop up in a WinRAR. Go ahead and click the Unity Mod Manager folder right here, and then it's going to pop up all these right here. What you want to do, you want to click on this downloader.exe. I think this is the one. No, that's not the one. Go ahead down here, and where it says Unity Mod Manager, right here that's highlighted in blue. Go ahead and double click that. It's going to open up this right here. Hold on. It's going to open up this box right here. What you're going to want to do is click on this box right here, this drop down box. You want to find pipe. It just says pipe. P-I-P-E right here, pipe. And then what you want to do, you want to click on this box right here and you want to locate that file. So in my case, it'd be under desktop, games, pipe 1.9.9 right there. And then what you want to do, you want to find that file, and then the file we downgraded is, if you renamed it to pipe 1.9.9, or if you kept those numbers, those 300, whatever it was, click on that one time, and then click OK, and then right here, click install, and now you're good to close out of this. Now you can use Unity Mod Manager to install mods, or you can just drag and drop. So if you want to use Unity Mod Manager, you're going to need to uninstall WinRAR, but that's why I don't like using Unity Mod Manager, because I don't want to uninstall WinRAR. So I'll show you the way I do it. I go into my pipe directory. Now if you go into pipe data, actually no, once you open up your pipe directory, you'll have a new folder. Once you hit install, you have a new folder that says mods. These are where all the mods are going to go. This is why I use this, because if you want to use Unity Mod Manager, you're going to have to uninstall WinRAR, because WinRAR files cannot go into Unity Mod Manager. You can only drag zip files in Unity Mod Manager. So that's why I like using this. So go ahead and close out your pipe directory. So now we're good to close out of this, because now we're going to get on the scripts. Yep, we're going to get on the scripts. So we got pipe and packer. Now the first one we're going to be doing is player importer with scroll. So this is my Google Doc. Go ahead and click the third link in the description. This is my Google Doc. Go under scripts. Go click the link where it says player importer with scroll right here. Is it going to open up in a media file? Go ahead and click that download. Save it to where you want to. Let me open mine up. Let me go to player importer. All right, now once you open up the WinRAR, open up your pipe directory. Once you open up your WinRAR, go ahead and click this file. This is Pipeworks Player Importer. You're gonna have all your files in there, but you do not drag and drop these. You do not drag and drop these. Okay. What you're gonna want to do is go back until you see this file right here. This is Pipeworks Player Importer with scroll. Go back to your pipe directory. Double click on the mods folder. Okay. And then drag this Pipeworks Player Importer right into your mods folder. And bam, it is installed. It is installed. And now go back to your pipe directory. Go to pipe data. And now, in order to add custom, I am going to add one custom player to show you guys how it works, and we're going to go in-game. But go ahead and go into your pipe data, right-click, new folder, and you want to name it custom players, so capital C, custom, space, capital P, players. So you want to do capital C, custom, space, capital P, players. So custom players, add a space with a capital C and a capital P. And then open up that custom players folder. And now all the players that I'm going to be used that I I don't even think I can do a part 3. I can, because all the players are in the description. Not in the description. So go to the Pipe Discord, which is in that Google Doc that I linked. So if you go to the Pipe Discord, you go down to players right here. Player models, where's it at? So all these I can't link in the description because if you click this, like here's the download right here for this character. Here's the download for this character. If you just click that arrow, it automatically downloads. When you click this arrow, it does not bring you to a link. It just downloads the file automatically. So I can't link this because right when you click it, watch. It just downloads it automatically. So you cannot, it doesn't bring you to a website. It just downloads it. So that's why I can't link these. So that's why I probably won't be able to do a part 3. I could still do a part 3 and download all the players and show you guys like what all the players do. But that's probably what I do. But that's why, like right here where it says players, it says all the players can be found under players in the Pipe Discord. Same thing with bikes. The bikes don't have a download link. It just downloads automatically. But the maps and trips do. Some maps do. All these maps right here are the ones I use. But there is some maps I use that don't have a link. So that's why it says right here I use other maps as well. But I was not able to link them in this docs. So let's just so go to the Pipe Discord, download any player you want. Let me locate a player. So let me right click. Let's do copy. And then go to your Pipe directory. And then paste it into your custom players folder. And now go back to your Pipe directory and just double click that pipe exe. Alright, now I'm gonna show you guys how this works. So once you can go on any map. I always like going on the community center. This is my favorite map. This box is gonna pop up, and it's gonna say Pipeworks Player Importer. This is Unity Mod Manager. You don't have to do anything here. You can just hit close. That has nothing to do. Let's see if this works. So hit P on your keyboard. Yep, there's the Pipeworks Player Importer. Hit P. And then all your players are going to be over here. Here's your scroll bar right here. Once you get more players installed, then you'll be able to scroll. But go ahead and click on the player. Here we go. For example, I got the assassin. Don't worry, we'll be installing more mods, like more trick mods and stuff. But yeah, here's your assassin. That's where all the players are. Why is my stream lagging? I don't know if it's my laptop. I mean, my game's running just fine on my laptop. But my stream is lagging, like the game's dropping hella frames. After this stream, I'll have to figure that out. I might do another test stream later. I'll do another test stream after this stream. Probably fix my stream lab, see why it's dropping frames. I don't know why it's doing that. It's horrible on my stream. My laptop the game's running smooth. But yeah, here's the assassin. You got everything. So they can close out. So one mod I'm not gonna use is the manual mod because I do not like that mod. But I'll still link it in case you guys want to use it. The next, keep your Pipe directory open. The next mod we're gonna do is the garage. So go ahead and click that link in my docs that says the garage. It's gonna bring you to Mediafire. Go ahead and download it. Go ahead and download it. And now this where it gets tricky. So you're gonna have two things in your WinRAR. You're gonna have one that says mods and one that says pipe data. Go ahead and open up that mods file folder in your WinRAR. You're gonna have another folder that says garage. What you want to do, you want to drag and drop that. So go to your pipe directory, open up your mods folder. You want to drag and drop the garage in to your mods folder. So when you open up the garage, it's gonna have all these files. 2 of them actually. Now go back to your pipe directory. Go back in your WinRAR. Go back 1. Now in your pipe directory, open up your pipe data. Open up your pipe data in your WinRAR. And now just drag these 2 into your pipe data. Just like so. And now we're gonna go in game. So let's download a bike. You have to go in game first. So we'll go in game. Go ahead and run the game. So I'll take you guys on a tour and everything. because the garage is pretty. This is my favorite mod in my opinion. I mean, because you can customize your bike and everything. So yeah, we've been streaming for 40 minutes. Why all these random numbers keep calling me? Go ahead and open up the garage with a B. You have to hit it with B, as in bag. Open it with B. Now you're gonna have the garage. You're gonna have your color. You can color your frame. You can like do all that. You can select the part. You got all your parts over here. You got your stem, your pegs, your bars, your tires. You can customize your tires. You can do textures, which textures don't really work, so I'm not going to show you, but you get textures from the Pipe Discord. Look up videos to show you how to do it. I'm not good at that. And then if you go back, you can select your material, so you can do like chrome. You can do like a chrome frame. You can do all that. You can do rust. Now if you go back, you can select your parts. You got frame. You can change your frame. So like you can change it to this. You can change your bars. You can change your pegs. You can change your spokes, your stem, your sprocket, your cranks, and then you got the miscellaneous. I think that's how I say that. You got your better wheels mod, your switch drive side, your toggle grip flanges, change seat material, change grips pattern, change tire tread, set brakes. Then you have your seat height. You have your seat height, your seat angle. You have your bike scale, so you can make your bike bigger, you can make it smaller. Actually, I want to rock with that real quick. I want to rock with the most ghettoest bike ever. You got your bar angle, your seat angle, and your seat height. Dude, and then you can save your bike. So you can name your bike and then hit save. Actually, let's do that. Let's just name it anything, because in order to add your own bikes into the game, you have to save a bike. Because if you want to add your own bike into the game, you have to go into your pipe data folder, and once you save a bike, when you first download the garage, you have to come in here and save a bike. So it makes a folder called Garage Saves. You'll see. So first thing you have to do, come in here. If you want to add your own bikes into the game from the Pipe Discord, like add custom bikes into the game instead of making a bike, you want to come into your garage and just save a bike. Just make it anything and just name it whatever. I just typed in some random letters and saved it because I'm gonna end up deleting it anyway. Just make some ghetto ass bike. I actually want to use this though. Oh my god, what is this? Literally, dude, this is great. Dude, this is why I like this mod, bro. You can do so much stuff with it. This is crazy. Like, bro, what is this? What is this? This is crazy. Little bikes are good in this game, bro. Little bikes are amazing. Except they don't hit jumps that well. Hold up, guys. I actually want to hit up something. Dude, I remember when this game brings back memories. Just like, dude, because this map, when BMX Street's Pipe first came out, this game came out like 4 or 5 years ago, I think. It was like 4 or 5 years ago this game came out. And they started adding mods like a year or two after the game came out. And this just brings back memories because this map they actually added into the game was the first update they added into the game like 4 years ago. This map. And it's still just the thing, bro. Just the memories I used to play when I played this game back in the day. When it first came out, bro, it's crazy. Because I used to play this map all the time when this map first came out, like 4 years ago. It's crazy. This game got so much memories, bro. And there was like no mods or anything like that. There was nothing, bro. It was just all plain. This game got so much memories, bro. And there was like no mods or anything like that. So yeah, we're gonna continue playing with this bike for a minute. We'll continue here in a minute. Now, there's actually something I want to try real quick. Alright, so go ahead and exit out. Hold on a second, guys. I feel like because there's another mod I used to use that would make your tricks way faster, but it has some shit tricks that comes with the mod. Nah, I'm not gonna use it. So go ahead and keep your pipe directory open. Next mod we're gonna do. Actually, no. Let's add a bike. So go to the pipe Discord. Download any bike you want. So if you go to the pipe Discord, let's say you go to the pipe Discord, open up where it says bikes presets. Now we downloaded the garage. So you're going to want to click on Bike Presets Garage. The house, it's another mod, but they took it off of the Pipe Discord because the house was crashing everybody's game. So everybody uses the garage now. So you have to don't download any presets from the house. You have to click on Bike Presets Garage. And here's all your presets you can download. Okay? So let's go ahead and let's get a bike. Let's get a bike from my File Explorer. So what? Well, here there's only one bike I use, so we'll go ahead and copy this. Now, once you're in your pipe directory, open up your pipe data folder, and you're gonna have a new folder in here that says Garage Saves. Now, before we download when we downloaded the garage before we went in game, this folder wasn't here. The read see if I open it up, there's my preset that I saved that I just put random letters. So when you have to first save a preset in order for this folder to pop up, and then you can come in here and delete that preset you saved. So you have to go in game and save a bike in the garage in order for this file to pop up, and then you can come in here and delete it. What you can do now is paste the bike you downloaded into your thing, and now let's launch up the game. Oh, I don't mean to do that. Ow. Shit. And now open up the garage and bam, hit savings, and there's your bike right there that you downloaded. It's already going to be saved. There's your bike that you downloaded. Let's take a look at it. There's the bike right there. Actually, this is my favorite bike they added. They just added this like I think a week ago or a couple of days ago, one of the two. But yep, here's the bike. You can download. There's so many bikes. There's so many things in the Pipe Discord. So many mods, maps, and they add maps. They don't add maps every day. It's random. The last map they added. The last map they added was yesterday, but before that, it was a week. The last map they added was yesterday. They add maps frequently, which the maps in the Pipe Discord are amazing. They add everything. So next up, keep your pipe directory open. Let's do the next mod, which is Map Importer. Go ahead and click that in my Google Docs. It says Map Importer. It's going to be a media file. Go ahead and download it. Let's open up my File Explorer. Go to my strips. Go to, what was it? Map Importer. I don't have Map Importer in here. Oh, I don't have Map Importer in here. I don't have the regular Map Importer in here. Okay, so let's download it. I thought I did. Apparently I don't. Let's open it up. Now you're going to have two folders in your WinRAR that says mods and pipe data. Open up that mods folder in your WinRAR. And now, go to your pipe directory and open up your mods folder. And then drag this Pipeworks map importer in your WinRAR, drag it into your mods folder in your pipe directory. Go back to your pipe directory, open up your pipe data folder, go to your WinRAR, open up your pipe data folder in your WinRAR, and then go to your pipe, go into your pipe folder, open up managed, and then go back to your WinRAR and open up managed. You're going to have an assembly C#.dll. Don't drag and drop it. Do not drag and drop it. Go back to your managed folder in your pipe directory. In your pipe directory, you should be under pipe 1.9.9, pipe data, or managed. Or it don't have to be pipe 1.9.9, whatever you saved your file name as. You should be in pipe data managed. Go to this assembly C# DLL right here that's highlighted. I'll give you a minute. Right here. Go ahead and right click and rename.
Okay. I have to
Hold up, guys. Yeah. That's why I need my own phone. Alright, guys. Let's continue. So go ahead and rename it. That assembly sharp DLL. That assembly sharp.dll in your manage folder. Go ahead and rename it to dot back or whatever. Just rename it. I like doing dot back, like as in backup, and hit enter. And then now you can go to your WinRAR and drag the assembly C# DLL. The reason why we did that is because this assembly sharp DLL that we renamed comes with the game. And if you were to drag this one from the WinRAR, it would ask you to replace the file. And if you replaced it, it would mess up your entire game because it would replace the file that came with the game. So it would mess up your entire game. You would have to reinstall it. So that's why we renamed it .back. In case this assembly sharp DLL crashes the game, you can rename this back to regular and bam. Okay, so there you go. Now the map importer is installed. I think that's what we installed. Did we install the map importer? Yeah. And now what you want to do, you want to go back to your pipe data folder. Right click, create a new folder, name it custom maps, capital C, custom, no space at all, capital M, maps. Now open up that custom maps folder. And now go to the pipe Discord. And now go to maps. You can go to Evolution maps. These are maps made by the Pipeworks Discord team, like the team, the Evolution team. These are the maps made by the team, like it's as a team. And then you got regular maps that are made by community. So you can download whatever one you want to do. So we'll do maps. Here's where you can find all the maps. So what maps should I download? The rest of the maps and players we'll do in part 2 and 3. So let's download. Why does this keep getting pinned to pin at? Why is that? So we'll go to maps. Let's download this skate park trade. Let's download that skate park right there. So, yep, open up your custom maps folder in your pipe data. Just paste it in there. Bam. And now, open up pipe. Guys, I'm really excited for this tutorial. Honestly, like, we're going to do part 2 tomorrow. Dude, it's been a minute since I streamed, literally. I don't know what just... I want to get back into it. It's random. My videos are going to be random. I'm not going to do it every day of the week. I might skip out on a week of streaming. I don't know. And now, open up your map importer using M, as in Mary. M. And then whatever skate park you installed, it should be right here. And then you can reload the list. So go ahead and open up that skate park. It's going to take a while to load. Some skate parks might crash your game. And bam. You're going to fall through the map. And there's your skate park. There's so many custom skate parks. There's like over 300 skate parks in the Discord. No, I think there's over 200. I don't know. I had like 280 maps installed. There's over like, as I seen, there's like 280 maps in the Discord. But that was like a week ago. They just added another map, so I don't know. There's a lot of maps. There's definitely over 200 maps in the Discord. Definitely. But yep, here's your map. Nice skate park. Nice skate park. It's amazing. Let's ride it for a minute. With our custom bike, which we don't have any trick mods installed, so our tail whips and bar spins are going to be slow as hell. Because we didn't install that mod yet. Damn, bro. Let's ride this spine. That box never works. This spine works a treat. Kind of. Not really. So, yep, there's your map. Now, let's move on. Let's move on. Keep your pipe directory open. Let's click the next link that says Trick Speed Mod, which there's no link in there's no link in my doc. It says Trick Speed Mod is in scripts in the pipe Discord, which means, what does that mean? There's no link. So when you download it, it just automatically downloads. There's no link. So let's go open up the pipe Discord, go to scripts, and scroll up until you see Trick Mod V2. I think that was it. Trick Speed Mod. Yeah, Trick Speed Mod. I think. Trick Speed Mod, which is up. It's gonna be all the way up, right here. It should have this picture right here. I'll give you a minute. Once you scroll up in the scripts in the pipe Discord, you have to go to scripts in the pipe Discord. It's gonna have this picture right here, and then it's gonna have this arrow. Like I said, there's no link, so just click this download button right here. It's gonna automatically download it. Go ahead and open it up. Trick Speed Mod. Yep, go ahead and open it up. Once you open it up, in your WinRAR, so in your pipe directory, open up your mods folder in your pipe directory. Go to your WinRAR, open up your mods folder. Drag this Trick Speed Mod into your mods folder, like that. Go back in your directory, refresh, always refresh. Go back in your WinRAR, open up your pipe data in your directory. Open up your pipe data in your WinRAR. And then you're going to have 3 folders in your WinRAR. All you want to do is drag these 2 right here that are highlighted. Do not drag that managed folder. Only drag these 2 files into your pipe data. Just these 2 files right here. And now, what you want to do is open up your managed folder in your pipe data. Open up your managed. And then go back to your WinRAR and open up that managed folder. You're going to have another assembly C# DLL. So with this one, we are going to replace the files. With the rest of the mods, you can replace the files because that assembly C# DLL is already a mod. This one right here is a backup, which means...
Damn, it's warm in here.
I know.
Going to work.
Alright.
Behave yourself.
Alright. So, this mod, this assembly C# DLL is already a mod. So you can replace this because... If this crashes, you can just rename this one to regular and it will back up your game so your game won't crash. So this one we can replace. So go ahead and go to your WinRAR, drag this assembly C# DLL in here and replace it. Okay? This is why every time you install a mod, like every mod you install, you have to run the game. So the game like, how do I put it? So the game registers that the mod's in the game. And then you can install another mod and replace the file because the mod's already in the game. So if I was just to download all these mods from my docs, if I was just to download all these mods and kept replacing the files and then went to launch the game, the last file I replaced would be the mod in the game. It wouldn't have all the other mods. That's why I install one mod, then I run the game. I install another mod, then I run the game. I install another mod, I run the game. That's why I do that. So yep, go close out your WinRAR. What was this one? This was the Felucian Trick Speed mod. Go ahead and run pipe. I'm not good at explaining stuff, guys, so I'm sorry, but hopefully you guys understand it. But yeah, we're almost done, guys. And then part 2 is gonna be tomorrow morning. We're gonna do all the scripts I use, either that or tonight. We're gonna do all the maps I use. I'm actually gonna take you guys. I'm actually gonna download all the maps and show you guys the maps and stuff. Same thing with the players. So, and we're actually going to do some GTA 5 live tutorials on, like, all the mods I use. And once I get my Google Docs set up and everything, which probably will be for a couple weeks. Go ahead. Oh, yeah. Hit 1 on your keyboard. Hit number 1. And it's going to pop this up. And now, you can drag these. Here's your tail whip speed, your whopper speed, your bar spin speed, and bus driver speed. You can toggle the tricks text on. I like turning it on. So, like, if you drag these all the way down, watch how slow these are. Look how slow that tail whip is, literally. Watch this. See how slow that is? Same thing with the bar spins. It's slow, so which means you can't do it flat. You'll keep falling. Now, if we turn them all the way up, which I like keeping them up, now you can adjust this. You can adjust this any way you want. And now, look how fast it is. You can just do them flat, literally. You can do double whip in. Well, you can. You can do oppo double whip in. Like that. Just look how fast they are. I mean, you can just do it for days. You can do triple whip. And then look how fast they are. So, yeah. There's that. Next mod. Not what I wanted to do. I did not want to do that. So yeah, about that, guys. So as you can see, my game is messed up. There's tons of bikes here. As you can see, this is so messed up. I literally got two What the hell, bro? What the hell? I got two players roaming around. So yeah, as you can see, I'm literally controlling that guy. I'm literally controlling him, dude. Look at him over there. I'm literally controlling him. This is fun. No, I'm controlling two people. Look at this. What? So about this, guys. Yeah, I forgot to tell you. Hold up, guys. I forgot to tell you. Oh god, here we are. We got 3 bikes. Look at this. So I forgot to tell you. When you go to exit out the game, you have to quit. The thing about this, you cannot load back into the game. You have to exit out the game, or it's gonna do that. It's gonna completely break your game. Just what you've seen. Once you exit out the game, you have to exit to your desktop and reload back into the game. You cannot exit to the main menu and go back into another map, or it's gonna completely break your game. What you guys just seen, I was controlling literally like 2 characters. It's gonna break your game. So, yeah, you have to exit to your desktop if you want to. You can't exit to the main menu and go back into the game. It's just gonna break your game. Go ahead and keep your pipe directory open. Open up the next. So next is going to be Map Importer version 2, which is in the scripts. So go into your go into the Discord. Go to scripts. Scroll down until you see this right here. Until you see this image right here. And then just download it. Now you're gonna have a link here and you're gonna have a link here. Scroll up until you see this link right here. You want to click on this link right here. I'll give you a second. In the Pipe Discord, click on this link right here. So this is going to be found in the Pipe Discord under scripts. Go ahead and open it up. Wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? Map Importer version 2. It's going to be Patcha Map Importer. Go to your pipe data. Go to your pipe directory. Open up your mods folder. Drag. In your WinRAR, you're gonna have this file, this Patcha Map Importer. Drag this into your pipe mods folder, and now we can load up the game. And now this is another map importer, but this is a better map importer. I like using both map importers because the thing with custom maps is some custom maps, I'll show you in a minute. So some custom maps you have to load up with the regular map importer. This map importer right here. Some custom maps you have to load up with this map importer only. If you try to load up the map with the other map importer that we just installed, it will crash your game. That's why I like having both of them installed. Because the creators that create some maps will tell you what map importer to install it, to load it up with. Now what you want to do is open up, what is it? It's, hit L as in Liam. No. Yeah. L as in Liam. Hit L. And it's going to open up this. Now, this is a better map importer. So you can filter by type. So there's your map right there. Go over here to edit. You can edit it. So if it's like a trail map, if it's a park map, a bowl, street, mega, race, other. So for this map, it's park. So I'll uncheck all these and only check park. Since this map's park, it's only park. There's no street, there's no bowl, there's no trails, there's nothing. It's only park. It's only ramps. Go ahead and hit save, and now it's gonna be park. So now, if say you have 100 maps installed, and you're like, man, I feel like riding a park map, or man, I feel like riding a map that deals with street or trail. Then you want to come up here, filter by types, check what you want to play. So say I want to play park map. I'll uncheck everything besides park, and it's going to pop up all of your park maps. Only your park maps. And then say you want to play street. See how, like, there's no maps here now? So if I check on street, I don't have no street maps installed. So if I check street, my street maps will pop up. So see how there's no maps right now? So if I click park up here, it'll pop up my park maps. That's why I like this map importer. And you can do other ones. You can filter by the rating, by name, by authors, and all that. Oh, make sure when you save it, make sure when you edit it and save it, you click save at the bottom right here. Make sure you click save all the way at the bottom. And now we can move on to the next mod. The next mod is the Trick Mod version 2, which is in the scripts. Open up the Discord, Trick Mod version 2. Scroll down until you see this right here. It should say Trick Mod V2. I'll give you a minute to find it. It should say Trick Mod version 2. Now, there's a Google Doc right here. So if you open that up, it will tell you guys all the tricks that's in this mod. All the new tricks that's in this mod. I'll showcase them for you guys. Actually, I do want to keep that open, though, so I can actually... Because I'm not even... I need to get used to them again. So go ahead and download it. Mine's in my Fox Explorer. Trick Mod version 2. And now here's where it gets tricky. Go to your pipe directory. Open up your pipe data. Open up your WinRAR. You're gonna have a shared assets 2 file right here. Go back to your pipe data. Find shared assets 2, which is right here. It's highlighted in gray. I'll give you a minute to find it. Now we're gonna do the same thing we did with the assembly C#.dll. Find the shared assets 2 in your pipe data. Right click, rename, .back. Because you do not want to replace this, because this is the file that came with the game. You don't want to replace this. .back. You want to hit, once this pops up, you're gonna hit yes. Now go to your WinRAR and drag this shared assets 2. And now there's the modded file. So you're good to replace that file since that's the modded. Now open up your managed folder, and now you can replace. Now go to your WinRAR. Drag it, this assembly C#.dll, assembly C#.dll, and replace it in your managed folder. Now you're good to close out of the WinRAR. Now load up the game. This is Trick Mod version 2. Oh, we've been streaming for 1 hour and 8. Oh, one thing I don't think I did link. Hold on a second, guys. I don't think I linked. Did I link? Oh, I didn't. I didn't link. Hold on a second, guys. What I didn't link is my, is it even in here? Okay. I didn't link my camera. Let me actually link that real quick. Oh, no, that didn't have a link, I don't think. No. Oh, shit. Hold on a second, guys. I gotta relink this in my doc. I'll do it. I'll do it after this stream. I'll relink it. So now you're gonna have custom tricks. Literally, it's gonna be hard to explain. So here's a custom trick right here. Here's one right here. Here's another one right here. And then all the tricks are gonna be in that Google Doc. So let's open up that doc. Actually, what I do want to do, I want to drag this over real quick. Actually, no, I'll keep it here. So, for the new trick, Superman seat grab is LT plus, you got the Twix, the Decade, all that stuff. So, there's the custom tricks. I'm not going to go over all of them. Next mod, we're not going to do the manual mod. That might be it, guys. We'll do the manual mod and the wall ride. I don't like, but I'll still link them, though. The manual mod and the wall ride, once you download it, it's the same thing. You got to replace the assembly sharp DLL. So I'm not going to do that much. So we got the game manager. Go ahead and open that up. Go ahead and download it. File Explorer. Scripts. RCP Game Manager. Okay, so open up. So go to your WinRAR. Click on this setup folder. Click on this setup for your pipe game. So, what you want to do... Hold on a second, guys. Go click on this. This says for your managed folder. Now go to your pipe data. Go to managed. Drag this assembly sharp DLL from your WinRAR into here. And now what you want to do, you want to go back in your WinRAR. And now go down for your mods folder. And now go to your mods folder in your pipe directory. Drag this into here, the Frosty P Game Manager, and now go back in your WinRAR. Go to the folder that says for your pipe data. And now what you're gonna want to do? Now you're gonna have two folders. The one you're gonna have a folder that says Frosty P. So in your pipe directory, go to your pipe data. Open up your custom players. Open up your custom players folder in your WinRAR that says custom players. Here's all the custom players that come with this mod. So just drag all these and drop them into your custom players. Which I do like about this mod. These are all the custom players that come with it. Go back in your pipe data. Go back in your WinRAR and drag this Frosty P Game Manager into your pipe data. Bam. Go ahead and run the game. I'll show you guys some of the characters that it comes with. We're not going to do the 3 mods. I don't even use... To be honest, I don't even use Pipeworks camera mode. So this is the last one we're going to do, then we're going to end the stream. So, when you load up into the game, hit P. So you're going to have this that pops up at the top left. Hit G, as in Gerald, to close it. Hit G to open it up. Hit P, and here's all your players that came with it. So you have your Big Smoke. You have your Deadpool. You have your You have so many characters that came with it. You got your Minecraft Steve. You got your You have your old Pipe character. This is the character when the Pipe first came out. These are all the characters that came with this mod. I mean, you have Shaggy, literally. Who knew Shaggy can BMX? Oh, I still have the manual mod. What? I still have the manual mod? How did I get the manual mod installed? Look at this manual, bro. Like, the thing with this mod is you gotta balance it. That's why, because it's realistic. With this mod, it's realistic, so you gotta balance it with your joystick. I didn't even know I installed this mod. I could have swore I didn't install this mod. I mean, I kind of like this mod, though. I mean, starting to get used to it. Took a while to get used to. I'm still doing nose manuals like days. Oh, I'm starting to slack. Like, you actually gotta balance it. Dude, check that out. I could wait, did I install the manual mod? I could have swore I didn't. Hold on, guys. I need to get this. Okay, so there's your game manager. Hit G. So you have your park builder. You have your rider set up, your BMX set up. So you can customize your rider. You can customize your bike, which I don't like doing it through here. You have your camera options. You can do camera field of view. You can customize your camera, and you can customize your rider options. So you can customize your gravity and your max pedaling velocity. So if you turn your gravity all the way down and you go to hop forces, you turn your hop force up. Literally, you can just float, dude. So you have your gravity, you have everything. So let's show off all the tricks. You have that, you have that, you have this, you have, what else? You have this right here. You have that right there. What other tricks do you got? You have this. You have that right there, the can X up. What else do you have? What else? You have that. You have the tabletop. You have the decade. What else do you have? You have the tabletop. You have the one-handed tabletop. You have the X up C grab. You have the one-footed tabletop. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this stream. The Pipeworks camera mode I might do. The thing with Pipeworks camera mode, literally, all that does is you can click a button on your controller and it pops up a camera mode. I'll download it. I got to link it too. So, I'm not going to do wall ride fix or manual mod. So go ahead and open up the Pipe Discord. Because I want to link it anyway. So, I don't think it... Pipeworks camera mode. I could have swore I linked it. Yep, you have the Pipeworks camera mode. Alright, there you go. It's saved. Alright. I don't think it'd be saved for this stream. So go ahead and click that link, download it, and then we're done with this doc. I already have it installed. So go ahead and remove from quick access. Open up your pipe directory, go to your mods folder. What you want to do, you open up your WinRAR, drag this Pipeworks camera mode in here. This is the last mod, guys. And then we're going to end the stream. We've been streaming for 1 hour and 19. We're either going to do part 2 tomorrow or tonight. I don't know yet. Part 2 is going to be maps. Part 3 is going to be players. And then once I get all my Google Docs set up for my GTA 5 mods, I I probably won't be streaming any games until I get all my Google Docs set up. Because I got the thing with me, all I'm gonna have is Google Docs in my descriptions. I don't like having my descriptions filled with stuff. That's why I make Google Docs. I don't like having my description filled with stuff because then you guys have to scroll through and look for it. That's why I'm gonna have all my Google Docs, only Google Docs linked in the description. So that's why it's gonna, because I got to do all the GTA 5 mods I use, all the Skater XL mods I use, and there's like over 1,000 mods in Skater XL. So I'm probably not gonna stream any games until I get all my Google Docs set up. But I will be finishing off on how to downgrade pipe, and then after I'm done with part 3, I probably won't be streaming anymore until I get all my Google Docs set up. But yeah, once you're in the game, go ahead and click down on the controller. The right thumb, on the right thumbstick, go ahead and click down, and you're gonna pop this up. Use your mouse to move around, like use your mouse to look around, and use your WASD to move around, and then he'll hold down the shift key to go faster. So see how I'm going faster? And then this is what this is. So if you want to look at a skate park, you can just look at it like this. And then once you're done, right click on the thumb and bam. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this stream. So, hopefully everybody have an amazing rest of their day. I'm about to go get some meat, actually. So without further ado, I'm put on an outro and just some music, and let's see if I can remember the keybinds. What's the keybind? Let me just look. Okay, numpad subtract. Alright guys, without further ado, I'll see y'all in the next stream. Peace out. Part 2, tonight or tomorrow morning.